Tonight you are witnessing the Lone Peak Art Show. It's a year in the making, and it's a group effort between all the Brain Booster teachers and integrated teachers throughout our school.
We highlight what they do in library with literacy, STEM with stop motion, and also this year we've highlighted what they've been doing in Playworks. So one of the big things that we did this year was we did a month-long integration with first grade with their study of bees. And so we worked together with the first grade team, and students learned about the life cycle of bees, and we also had a visit from our resident beekeeper, our principal, Mr. DeMille, who came in and showed students all of the things that he uses as a beekeeper. Students then worked collaboratively to create the different components needed to keep a bee colony healthy and alive. So they created their own bees. They also worked to make bee boxes and honeycomb. And then to put it all together, they went into theater and created a soundscape where they became the bees themselves. And so as you walk through the gallery exhibit, not only do you see all the different parts of the bee exhibit, but you hear the different sounds that bees make. So it was a huge cooperative project that they all worked on.
We use arts here to teach the subjects that they're learning in their classrooms, and it's basically combining the arts with core integration topics and a deeper level of understanding.
I use what their core curriculum is to kind of give students time and opportunity to explore those ideas further. So for instance, in second grade, they're learning about animals and their adaptations. So students each chose an animal to research in their classes, and then they take that to art. Then they create their 3D habitat, and then they also build the animal within that habitat. My favorite exhibit was everything that we did in our greenhouse. So third grade this year, for the first time, decided to plant actual seeds in their pinch pots. So we've been tracking the growth of their plants over the last month and watching them and making records of them, and that was really unique and fun this year. So to be able to have a night where they can showcase the things that they're passionate about and where they really took ownership over it really helps them have a lot of pride in what they do, and also motivate them and give them that confidence to kind of want to keep going and be better.
The confidence, especially, I see it a lot with theater, standing in front of crowds, being able to speak, understanding what your talents are when you might not see them in other spaces, creates a whole child that is going out into the world and taking their talents and feeling confident. It's not just about test scores, it's about creating great members of society.